Hi guys, today we're making stickers with my sister. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. She's even videoing too. If you see the same video, it's not copycat. Wait. Oh, can I do? Okay. So we have some lighting.
Uli ang nakamay. Wala ka daw.
So we have these stickers. Ate, show your stickers.
Magkaya ng misis mo mag-isa.
Tulo lagi ni ka sticker.
Yeah.
Oh, that's for mommy. Right, mom. Wait, what? Is it like this? No, I cannot do it. And we need to put it.
Pero sa March
We
ko,
have
hindi ko
a
pwede.
first sticker. I think I need to speed it. So look at this. And here we have the ESP first. ASMR. Filipino. Da, makita ka da.
Ayaw, hindi ko kita sa.
Okay. Nah. Okay. Now. Next notebook. English.
Madalian.
And here is the English. Here. Next notebook. Here's the maths. Sorry if it's bad.
Dapat sa hindi ako gagawin.
And here. And that is all for today's video. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Bye bye.